It was an easy decision for us to roll out the Stratus system into our welding department. We saw the immediate results in that, especially with the manifolding we're doing with the welding. We do an awful lot of welded stainless steel ductwork for labs, and it's very often times we might be going straight 90 degrees one way and then offsetting 3 inches over the next 3 feet. And to be able to pull that up on our Stratus in a 3D model, look at it from all sides, was extremely helpful to us. We chose to adopt it there in our fabrication facility, and it was absolutely the right decision. Once we saw the success in our drafting department, we then rolled it out and we used Stratus to track our progress throughout the shop. We're able to track live when a particular job, which we refer to it as a lot or a spool or a package, when that's cut, when it's formed, when it's assembled, when the sealing is done, and then it's ready for manifolding. And again, in manifolding, most of the time it's pretty obvious the way that we want to manifold it, but if in fact we run into an offset going one way or another, we know that when we're referring to the Stratus model that we have it 100% correct. No room for error.